As fans across the globe celebrate the excitement of the 2026 FIFA World Cup, we're taking a delicious trip to England, where match days and classic comfort food go hand in hand: crispy golden fish and chips. First, we prepare beautiful fresh catfish. A light sprinkle of seasoning gives it the perfect start. Now for the batter. Into a bowl goes flour and seasoning. Then comes the secret to that irresistible crunch: cold water. The batter becomes silky, smooth, and wonderfully airy. Now it's time for the fish. Each cut is gently coated in the batter until every inch is covered. Hot oil it goes. They emerge beautifully golden with that perfect crispy exterior and fluffy center. Into hot oil, the potatoes go for their first fry. They'll return later for their golden, crispy finish. The crispy fish is placed beside a generous mountain of golden chips. Please subscribe, like, and comment.